Today I'm going to explain how you can get your own merchandise with StreamElements. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. So what kind of merchandise can you get? You can get a hoodie, a t-shirt, a mug, a Kiss Cut sticker, and a mousepad. Unfortunately, I don't have the mousepad because, well, I didn't order it, so I cannot show it to you guys. I bought my clothes a little bit oversized because I don't want it to be too tight, and I just like hanging on the couch with like light clothes, I guess. Like you can see, this Kit Cut sticker is actually printed on a square, but they're cut around the design, so they're actually in the shape of the I'm Jelly here. So this is how your merch store is gonna look like. This is mine. If you like, it's underneath in the description. But here you can see how it will look like for customers. You can use this merch store for Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, and Facebook gaming. Also, look at this. You guys just bought the mug. I'm Jelly. I actually filled up all the merch slots on my own account already, and I just want you guys to see a fresh new start, so I'm doing this on my bot account. First thing you do is you log in with Twitch or YouTube or Facebook or Mixer, depending on where you're on, of course. And then all the way on the left under revenue you will see as a merch. Click on that one. Let's not burn our eyes and turn it on dark mode. Better. So right here at the start we can just upload a design. Let's do that. Let's just get one of these things I have in here. Boom. And then it's on a t-shirt. This image that I got is actually too small for a t-shirt, so make sure that you have it between 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels and 8000 pixels by 8000 pixels. So yeah, they need to be bigger than 2000 pixels. Or 2000 pixels. This is because otherwise the design would look blurry on a t-shirt. As you can see, the store just automatically filled all these things in. Easy peasy. I wanted to use this one as an example, but apparently I cannot go through because it is not 2000 pixels, so I gotta need to make it 2000 pixels real quick. We got a version of 2000 pixels now. Replace the design. Yes. Grab this one. Good. Now the program will accept it. And it places them automatically on the t-shirts and everything. Continue. Well, you got the store name. You can replace the store name if you want. You type in your PayPal address because, well, they need to put the money in somewhere. Then here you can set your profit margin. It is on recommended right now, that is 40% profit. I would actually recommend it, so that's, I mean, it says recommended, but I would recommend it personally. To keep it on 40%. This is a nice margin for you, but it doesn't get like super expensive for people that want to buy it. Lucrative will make things a little bit expensive. And minimal will actually give you almost no revenue, so you're selling merchandise for nothing. You're not getting anything in return, basically. So now we have uploaded all the designs, and what we can do now is we can pick colors of some things. We click on continue after you set the profit margin. Oh, we need to type a PayPal address. So now we can customize our store. Now we're actually in the editor. And here we can see for the shirt we have different colors. Black, red, white and blue. As you can see, some of them are really ugly with this design. What we can do is we can actually edit this by clicking on it. And then here you see colors. So now we don't want the red one and we don't want the blue one on this one because that's ugly. Let's see how this looks. Ugh. It works better with some designs than it does with others, obviously. Depending on the colors you use in your design. So I added some colors. You can set a custom price if you want, and it will just say the profit as well. So here it says 15 bucks, that's $1 profit roughly. 25 is 11, and 30 is 16. But if we set it to 32, we can see we get $18 profit. Later on you can actually go to the editor here and edit the placement of your design. Right now that's not possible. It will just be in the middle for a shirt. What you can do, if you want them to be small at the top, Make the rest of the design transparent and make your actual design in the top right or left corner, depending on where you want to have it in the t-shirt. What you can do though is make the rest of the image transparent, so you make a little design in the top right and then the rest of the image are just empty transparent pixels, which means that the design will just be printed in the top left or right, depending on where you want it to have it. And then we save this. Proceed. Now it's gonna take a little bit to actually process this adjustment you made. Same with the hoodie, we can just click on it. We can set the price, the name of the hoodie as well. We can also replace the design here if we want. And we can set colors a lot less than for the t-shirt, but we can still set colors. For some of you, they look at this t-shirt and they think, well, this looks odd, the design is here, but the t-shirt is all like this. I want it to be like the t-shirt. This is not possible because here is a little bag on the hoodie. They cannot print on there, so they have to print above that bag. And it looks a little bit odd in the picture, but when you see it on, it looks good. For the mouse pad, you can't really change your colors. You can change the name and the price and the design. For the sticker, obviously the sticker is going to be the color of your design, so you don't need the color for that. But I guess you guys understand how to set the name of the item and the profit right now, right? It's super easy. And we have got the mock here too. What we can do is we can replace some of these designs with another design. So if you don't like to be like this on the mock, you can have a different design on the mock. You can also add new designs, so if you make a new t-shirt, you can upload a new design here and then just, I don't know, have this one be on the t-shirt, on another t-shirt. Again, it's not 2000 pixels because I didn't actually make a lot more than I already have. This is my end screen design. But yeah, and then you have t-shirts with that other design and this design on it. And you can sell them simultaneously, so that's really nice. Then here in the top you can click on the other tab, which is called Promote. They give you advice on what to do to promote your merchandise. You can also order your own merchandise with a lot of discount, so you can try it out and see if you like it before you sell it to other people. Then you have the payment tab here, which basically says how much money you still get from the merchandise you've sold, when you last withdraw it. And this is the order history, but well, this is my bot account, so there's nothing in here. And then you have settings here where you have your store name, which was that thing above. Let me show it again. So this Trees merch store, that's the name. So you will be changing this text. If you change this text in here, then your PayPal email address, then you can click on go live here in the top and your store will go live. Let's do that. And then go to your store and it will open your store in a new tab. So this is what we made. I didn't save the last design because it wasn't 2000 pixels. But yeah, this is how the ones look like we just made. So that's actually pretty easy. And if you're not happy with one of your shirts, you can click on it and then go to the left here. Let's accept the cookies. Here, click on delete. Delete, and it's gone. It's pretty easy to delete stuff. I'm gonna delete all of this because, well, I don't really want this on my store on my bot account. So a question you might have is, when do I get my payment? You actually need to go to the payment tab and click on withdraw. And then within 5 to 7 working days, you will just get your money on your PayPal. It will be a little bit less than you actually earned because PayPal will take fees. Another question might be, how many items can I have in my store? The answer in that is 12. You can have 12 different items. This is not 12 different designs, but you can have 12 items. So stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, and mouse pads combined. So everything together can be max of 12 items. I don't know if they're gonna up that number or if there's gonna be a program if you reach something that you can up your merch or something like that. No clue. And so you made your merch store and you want to promote them on stream. That's super cool. And then somebody buys your merchandise. What you want is obviously let it pop on stream. And you can do that too. So you can go here to promote and then scroll down and generate alert. And then basically copy this. And paste it in your OBS. So you copy this, go to your OBS, hit the plus, browser, and then you will call it merch alert. I mean, you don't have to call it merch alert. You can call it whatever you want. I don't care. Click on OK and then drop the link there. And then 1920 by 1080. Remove this part and then OK, and it will just work. You can also go to My Overlays right here, make a new overlay, call it Merge. Click on the pencil to edit it. And then go to Widgets, and then Merchandise Alert Box Add. And then you have one here, and if you click on the cogwheel here, you can actually edit everything. So if you want it to be customized, you can do that right here. I wish you the best of luck with your own merchandise. And if you want to know more about StreamElements, I got a ton more videos about them. So check them out here, and I will see you in that video.